So it's on Teflon washers and it has a flipper, but check this out. I cannot flip it. I don't even know if I can open it with the thumb studs. Yeah. So it may need to get broken up a bit. So liner lock centered, deep carry clip, tip down, only right hand only. It's comfortable. No jimping. Well, ooh, very minor jimping on the bottom of the blade. I don't even know why that's there. Nice swedge. Closes up okay. Slightly off center. Is it centered? Maybe it's centered. Yeah, it's centered, I think. But man, I cannot get this thing to open. So, I'm not going to worry about loosening the pivot over time. I'm sure it'll loosen up. But, there you go. No lanyard hole. I don't know. I don't consider the skeletonized handle a lanyard hole. I like the blade shape. So that is the Gerber EVO Junior. Oop, see it's starting to loosen up now. So, Gerber EVO Junior.